Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the three-part video series that I did with the day hiking with my friends, and we visited three different waterfalls, a river, hung out at a restaurant, and just had a really good time. So this is the final segment, and I think probably the best one because I really interact with a lot of Filipinos who are out there swimming as well. So stay tuned. Very cool. You can see the ladders and stuff behind us. Yeah, very cool. Let me show you a front view.
This has a lot of stones. But wow, that was twin pools. It's a twin pool. It's a twin pool. Wow.
This is called the original Casa Oro waterfalls.
Yeah.
And I think we're already there. I think this is it.
This is the old Casa Oro.
The old Casa Oro, or what they call the original Casa Oro Falls.
Mostly Filipino living in the, the fish go there.
Oh, okay.
And they can't escape.
Okay, the fish go in there and they can't escape.
I think that's why they do this one. Because the fish go there.
Oh.
And then they can't escape.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. What's your step? I go here. One.
Okay.
It's moving.
Mm-hmm. almost at the top. We're waiting for our friends. Got Gang and myself here. Steve and Jesse. Sean and Gracie. We don't know where they are.
Caboose. They are still on there. Oh my God. The stairs is like 500 steps.
Maybe 500 steps. Maybe
Yes.
they're lost in the jungle forever. But we'll send out a search party in a few weeks. So don't worry. No, Sean is a smoker though, so that like no problem. That's motivation for you guys who smoke to quit, right? He's half a day away still. But look at this view.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Nice view. That's the view of the Magate.
Dumaguete, yeah.
Negros
There's
Oriental.
Jesse and Steve. Alright guys, next stop, Cliff House Restaurant.
And then
See you there.
Brave trekkers
Hoy,
coming up
katimbang sa
behind
imong
us here.
kiluhan ron, be.
Sa
dito?
They all got their masks on hiking.
Digital man to ya.
Ha?
Technique.
Steep. Here they're coming. Oh, sana all.
Sana all. Hi.
Hello. Maayong buntag.
Buntag hapon na?
Hapon?
Okay, maayong hapon. See, these guys are wearing their mask. We probably should be wearing our mask, but there we go. Lots of them.
Justin! Work set!
Okay.
Kamu na po ang maano, panington.
Kapuya.
Big party. 500 more steps. Almost.
500 steps down the road.
Okay, you're fearless.
You were going back now?
Yeah. We've been at 2 falls.
Have you been?
All three. We went to 3.
Tutin and?
Yes, and
besides.
Old Casa Oro went to 3.
You didn't went further?
We went further.
3.
3 almost. Almost falls.
Our turn now.
That's right.
Bugna kayong tubig,
Lots of
murag
water.
yelo, murag ice ang tubig.
Lots of water.
Oh, we got a dog.
Oh, you take your dog with you.
Oh, you go.
There are lots.
A lot. So many.
Aso.
Lots of people coming. Great view.
Makaliko bigla kayo.
Maayon hapon. That means good afternoon. Oh, poor doggy. Poor doggy.
Hi.
Hello.
It's your turn.
Well, you got a helmet for safety. Good. In case you fall.
Jumping off rock. What you want, snack?
He's afraid.
What you want,
He
snack?
waited the owner, I think the boss.
Hi. Oh, he likes me.
Yeah.
I think you're the boss.
Wow.
Oh, hey you.
Oh, you got it!
Where's the other
You
half?
got it!
Where is he?
Is he still alive?
Pila mi katuig nagulat diri.
There he is.
Yes.
Are you okay? He's just... Drink water, oh.
Would you like me to check your temperature, your blood pressure?
We were thinking of coming back after lunch.
Water na lang.
My knee started bothering me.
I can see. We got a man down. Half down.
Yeah.
We got a rescue dog.
There we go. Rescue dog.
We got one who doesn't want to go.
Yes, she's afraid.
He's afraid. Oh,
She's afraid.
and we got a dog afraid. Hello.
Hello. Are you happy, everybody?
Hi.
Yeah, everybody's
Maayon
You're
hapon.
from Waterfalls?
Waterfalls.
yeah,
Yeah.
two twin falls also, they're swimming.
3. Yeah. Your dog?
Oh, my dog.
Yeah.
That's why he's waiting.
I think this is the fellow that built the place, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Oh.
remember meeting you last time.
Oh yeah.
Kuya Tutin. His name is Kuya Tutin.
Oh, so he built this place.
Tutin Falls. His name.
Tutin Waterfalls.
Pagkain na ko yung mga uban akong apo.
Ah,
Uban tong usa.
Kalaki.
so he did all of this.
If you lose your balance, you're going that way.
Hadlok anak na ako.
Stand closer over this way.
Sakay ba day niya overlooking?
Dahil kung suway bang
Ang duga na na day. I tried when grandpa carried me that way too.
We got more people.
That's where I got the picture of the big pig.
Maayon hapon.
Enjoy.
Maayon hapon.
I guess we're leaving at the right time.
Yeah.
Looks like it's going to get real crowded.
We got more. You need those shoes. Those are better. Maayon hapon. When we first got here, there was literally just our 3 motorbikes, and now you can see lots of motorbikes here. So we got here just at the right time, because now this place is kind of busy. We saw a lot of people coming up and down the path here. So again, we're on our way to go eat. We're waiting for the last in our party. Hopefully they'll be here shortly, and we'll go eat. Cliff House. And I've just been advised that we're actually going to go swim in the river after this, so more excitement coming still. But we ordered food. I'll show you our food when it comes, and then we'll go swim in the river, and we'll be calling it a day. So it's been a really long day. Hey guys, we got our food. Look at the size of these burgers here, man. They're just huge, bigger than my head. And so we're going to go finish eating, and are we still going to the river to swim? Maybe after. Okay, see you guys. River now, so we're gonna go check out the river and do a little bit of swimming here, and then call it a day. Hello. Maayon hapon.
Hinahinay.
So here we are at the river. This is a local place. A lot of Filipinos come here and hang out and swim. So we thought we'd come out here and check it out. A lot of people out here. Slippery rocks. Watch out for cow patties.
You got like a tree stand over there.
Uh-huh. Here we are. The river. This doesn't look like a fantastic place for swimming for me, but
Not deep enough.
not deep enough. Let's
Just hang out in the.
just walk over here. Yours on? How deep is it? How deep is it? Some people are jumping from here. This girl's here taking a bath. Finally, Jessie swims. Yeah. This girl's washing herself.
Come on.
You gonna swim?
Hey, come on. No, hindi ko malito. Yeah, there's small fishes.
Yeah.
Naghilot na at lawas na ang mga lugar.
Dalong dahil. Dalong. Dalong. Yes. Not no video, babe. Mine is no video. No. Panty. Lalot na. Alam mo na magmabawran eh. Ha? Mabura kayo. Opa. Uy, ba't po? Delikado pa ayo. Una kumutin. Ayaw, may tulad niya. Pikat ha, pikat. Para na doon. Alam mo? Three. No. May pato. One. One, two, three. Paano mo Maria pa rin ka? Parang ka Maria. I don't enjoy it. It's not this.
We just finished swimming at the river. We are calling it a day. It's 4:30. We've been out 6.5 hours swimming and eating and stuff. So we are done for the day. So again, nice shot of the river there again before we leave. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and any comments or questions down below, and see you next time. Bye. We found some rum. All right, see you guys.